Today, we're doing a diary on the bus journey, see if we're welcome or whether we're not. Do you like the bus journey? Fail. No. No. Okay, don't. Do you like the bus? Right, the journal? Stop. Look who is it? Oh my god. Fucking Danny. Hey, doing Danny? Hey, doing? Hey, what are you doing tonight? You having a good day? Well, I've got a question. How do you like the bus journeys? Is that a yes or a no? Is that a yes then? Yes! You like the bus journeys? You like bus journeys? You don't want to like bus journeys? Sorry, calm down, guys. Calm down. It's getting too big. Alright, let's consider a dentist. Let me look at his sparkly teeth.
You stood into football, man. Did you hear that?
Danny, it's alright, calm down. Wait, hey, calm down. Danny, calm down. Calm down. Calm down, it's alright. Look, read the newspaper, rejoice. I know you can't read, but you're fixed, you know. Yeah, it's only a paper, man. Come on. Oh, it's okay, we understand. How come you're not in the cycle home? How come you're not doing factions? Just sing a song. Just sing a song. James, it's okay. We normally do. It's alright, we can deal with it. It's going through a terrible state. It's got mental problems. It's called Danny. Look at this. Shame.
Danny, we gotta go now.
Gotta go?
We gotta stand.
The last stop coming now. Okay. Bye.